Hello guys, in this video we are gonna unbox and review the Good Life Almonds 500 kg. I bought it from GeoMart and it costed me 382 rupees. As you can see, the size of almond is good. Taste is good, it is crunchy and it has good texture.